I think I just found the jackpot. Bro, what? How is this possible? I've been here since 5 a.m, so I've been doing this for like 2 hours. It's 7 a.m. right now. I mean, we'll see if we made more money than the minimum wage. Good morning. I have an exam on next week, Friday, so I need to study for it, and this is an economics exam, so I got my book and my calculator right here, so I'm gonna get to studying. In this class, there's like a little bit of math, and I hate math. If anyone knows me, I hate math. And then we're gonna go eat lunch after. Let's go. Holy moly, it was such a long day. I feel like Wednesdays are always such a long day. But today it wasn't because of my classes. I mean, I did have 2 classes, but there was this event where a whole bunch of companies came and we as students could, talk to them and just get in touch with some companies. I helped out yesterday to build or set up stuff. Then today I was there to just help manage stuff a little bit. And then now I finished helping take some stuff down and like putting all the tables back where they were. I mean, there were people that were there literally the entire day helping out. So shout out to those people. But I think the event overall went pretty well. And tomorrow we got another jam-packed day with a lot of studying to do, because I still have not studied that much for my economic exam, which is in a week and 2 days. And yeah, I really need to get studying for that. I am in my apartment. Let's do a quick haul of all the stuff I got yesterday, because I left the stuff in my locker after the event. First up, we went to Skaden, little law firm. We got 1, 2, 3 of, like, in German it's called Klausurenblöcke, and that's basically just the papers we write our exams with. So basically regular papers, except they're a little different because you have like 1/3 of the page is like empty, so the corrector can write his notes and whatever. These things go for like $5 at the store, and the more you can get of these for free, the better. And I got another one here from this law firm. I'll take as many as I get. Let's see what else we got. I got microwave popcorn, 2 glass straws, quite lovely, a pencil, I think these are gummy bears. Then we got a pen, then we got another pen, and we got a highlighter. I guess we got a water bottle. I just came here to drop off my stuff because I have a class in an hour, so I'm gonna head back right away. I got 1 class, and then we got to enjoy the weekend and study a little bit, but let's go. Here we go. M. Everyone say what's up. All the vegetables are gone. What you said, Chica? Yeah, get it. Bro, how is this possible? There's so much smoke in the stadium right now. You can barely see the ball. This is crazy. Never seen anything like this. Let's go, Harry Kane! Legend. Yes! Hat-trick! Let's go, Bayern Munich. It is 4:53 in the morning, and I'm gonna make my way to Erlangen to the Bergkirchweih, and I'm gonna see how many bottles I can collect and how much money can I make by collecting bottles. It could be a little dangerous because there's still gonna be a couple of drunk people, but we're gonna try our best not to confront any of those, and yeah, we're just gonna collect their bottles. All right, we have made it to Erlangen. I'm gonna start off with 2 bags. There's already like a cleaning crew, so I don't think that's a good sign, which means, you know, they're probably gonna start collecting bottles already, but I'm heading to the BMS. That's like the little park area. That's where I'm hoping I can collect the most bottles, so. Ooh, I found one. The first bottle. All right, one bottle, guys. I think we actually might have a good chance of collecting some good money. Oh my god, there's so many bottles. Okay, I also realized I didn't bring any gloves. I should have brought gloves because I have to touch all these bottles with my hands, but whatever. I'm just gonna see which bottles I can collect for Pfand and which ones I can't. So we're just gonna start going on our collecting rampage. Here we go. Alrighty, we got a bottle in here. We're gonna try to get this bottle out. Okay, we just found this cart. I think I might take the cart for a little bit. Add one thing to the inventory so we can keep collecting bottles. I already got 1 bag almost full. That's insane. low-key I didn't think I was gonna get this much, but I just talked to a gentleman that was going on a morning walk with his dog, and he told me there's like still a whole bunch of bottles left over there where I haven't gone yet. So, and I just see so many beer bottles everywhere. We're going for beer bottles here because that's what's gonna give us the most money. So, and apparently he said that there's so many. So we're just gonna keep going. I'm gonna take the cart with me, and this is gonna be insane. This is gonna be insane. All right, let's put this in. Here we go. And found a bottle behind the cart. All right, I think the best game plan would be to head back, take these to the car, and then come back here and then keep going up because we still got quite a way to go until the official Bergkirchweih. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take these back, empty the cart, take the new bags, and then maybe we can find some bottles on the way back. Yeah, but this cart is hella loud, so I'm sorry to anyone who lives here if I woke you up with this, but you know, one man's garbage is another man's treasure. So this is lovely. Holy shit. All right, round 2, here we go. I think we just found the jackpot. Bro, all these beer bottles just laying here. I don't know why nobody picked these up. There's so many here. Bro, this is like $3-4 maybe? I'm just gonna pick them all up. Why not? Look at this. Look at this. This is insane. Never in a million years did I think I was going to collect this many bottles. One bottle down here. Gonna empty it one last time. And sadly, this is going to be the last bottle that I will be collecting because all 4 bags that I took with me are full, like overfilling. I have nowhere to even put this anymore. I mean, I have a couple cans on the side. Look at this setup. All right, yeah, we're gonna head back because I just don't have any more space to put any of these bottles. That's insane. I never thought that I'd be able to collect this many bottles, that I'd be able to fill 4 bags. I should have taken like, bro, I think I could honestly fill another 2 entire bags like this. This is pretty heavy, so we're just gonna push this to the car again. Let's go. We've made it to the car. Let's load these in. Holy mother of holy. Bro, what? How is this possible? I've been here since 5 a.m. so I've been doing this for like 2 hours. It's 7 a.m. right now. I mean, we'll see if it's, you know, actually if we made more money than, you know, the minimum wage. But this, for being my first time collecting bottles, bro, next year I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy next year. Just saying. Today's Sunday, so I can't go to the store. Tomorrow's Monday, and it's a holiday, which means I can't go to the store either. So I'm only gonna be able to go to the store on Tuesday to get some money, and then we're gonna give that money to someone who actually needs it. All right, yeah, so we're gonna cut to Tuesday where I'm throwing these bottles into the machine. Kannst du helfen? Hallo, könnten Sie mir das auszahlen?
Ja klar. 10,71.
Perfect. Dankeschön. Tschüss. Well, we have made 17 euros and 71 cents. I'd say that's pretty good. I mean, it is below minimum wage, basically. But honestly, I was not expecting this much money. I was happy with like $3, but you know, we almost made 20 bucks. So I'm very happy with that. Can't complain at all. So definitely gonna be doing this again next year.
Danke, alles Liebe.